to
Hey Kids, Let's Draw.
Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Today we're here with Ava. And how old are you, Ava?
4.
4 years old. What do you want to draw today?
A pumpkin.
A pumpkin jack-o'-lantern with a face?
Yeah.
For what holiday is coming up?
Halloween.
What do you like to do on Halloween?
Trick or treat with friends and cousins.
Trick or treat with friends and cousins on Halloween. Okay. Thanks for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. And here is a jack-o'-lantern pumpkin. All right, everybody, get your orange markers. We're gonna start this pumpkin jack-o'-lantern, and we're gonna do a simple pumpkin circle. So find the middle of your page with your finger. Put your marker down in the middle. And go big circle. Boop. Yes, good job. And the good thing about pumpkins is they're never perfectly circular, right? Pumpkins can be big and long and fat and squishy, or a circle. And so whatever shape your pumpkin is okay. All right, so now.
Daddy, there's a spider on the roof.
There's a spider. Oh, it must be Halloween time.
No?
Okay, here we go. Get your orange, and we're gonna do a triangle eye. Find the middle, and go just over to the side in this area. Ready? Down.
I want to do a circle.
Follow me. Down.
Okay.
Over. And up.
I did it.
Good job. Let's do another one. Come over here, the same spot. Down.
Down.
Over.
Over.
And up. Ooh, those look cool. We have 2 eyes, and then we're gonna do a smaller nose, okay? Let's make sure your picture. Okay, so we're gonna go right in the middle. Put your marker down right there. Go down, over, up. A little smaller nose.
I want to do a rectangle.
Ooh, I like your rectangle. All right, now we're gonna do a smile with a tooth in it, so follow me.
I want to do like this.
Ooh, that's scary. I'm gonna start.
I want to do like teeth.
Okay, good tooth. Go down.
I don't know how to do teeth.
We'll do a tooth.
This is how
Over.
This is how I do teeth.
Okay, that looks good. And go up. And then I'm gonna start over here, and I'm gonna go down. Up, over, down, and I'm gonna connect it over to this corner. So we have a big smile.
I like that.
Good job. Let's get our.
I like that.
That's okay. Get a green or a brown. Which color do you want for the stem? I'm gonna do green. What color do you want?
Brown.
She's gonna do brown. Okay.
Brown.
So I've got green.
Those things are supposed to be brown.
Okay, start at the top. Go curve.
I want to do like this. I'm going to color this
Down.
in.
Oh, she's coloring already. Good job. Okay, there's my green, and we're gonna color this in. We're gonna color these eyes yellow, the mouth yellow, and the nose yellow, and the entire pumpkin's going to be orange and green.
What about the black?
And then we'll outline it in black if we want to. You guys choose. So feel free to pause, but we're gonna hit fast forward as we color. Ready, go.
Go fast forward.
Okay, everybody, she's continuing to draw yellow eyes. She's doing so good.
And I'm almost done with
She's almost done. And I colored mine orange.
I'm going to almost color it orange.
Okay. I'm gonna get a different color orange. You could do a red or a darker orange, and I'm gonna do some pumpkin lines. So I'm gonna start up here and I'm gonna go down. One,
I only have one, and then I'm going to do the other
two,
one.
3, 4. Just to make it kind of appear like more of
I
a
have one
pumpkin.
more. I have one more eye.
Okay, you're doing great. Keep going. And there's our jack-o'-lantern pumpkin for Halloween. Thanks for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw.